I am K. Rao, Department of Physics. Today my topic is first sem physics unit 3 relativistic mechanism. Subtopic of explain the time dilation. So dilation means the lengthen and interval of time is called dilation. Let us consider two systems S and S dash. So this is the two systems or frames S and S dash. Let S dash moving with velocity v with respect to S in the positive x direction. So S dash moving with velocity v with respect to S in the positive x direction. So this is the positive x direction. So suppose a clock in the system S and position x. So this is the clock. So this is the clock position x. So interval of time delta t equal t2 minus t1. So this is the first end point distance x1. So this interval of time t1, and this is the second end point distance x2. So sometimes t2. So interval of time delta t equal t2 minus t1. So an observer in system S dash, then interval delta t dash equal to t2 dash minus t1 dash. So S dash frame observer, first interval of time x1 dash means t1, x2 dash means t2 dash, first one t1 dash. So that means delta t dash equal to t2 dash minus t1 dash. So clock at position in x. So next one, according to Lorentz transformation equation t dash equal t minus xv by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So this equation according to Lorentz transformation equation. So t dash equal t minus xv by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So time t1 dash means t1, time t2 dash means t2. So S dash frame interval of time delta t dash equal t2 dash minus t1 dash. Delta t dash equal t2 means t2 minus xv by root over 1 minus v square by c square, minus again t1 dash means t1 minus xv by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So delta t dash equal LCM in the above equation root over 1 minus v square by c square. So that means t2 minus xv minus t1 minus into minus plus xv. So plus xv minus xv cancel. Remaining equation delta t dash equal t2 minus t1 by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So observe at frame S, interval of time delta t equal t2 minus t1. This value substituted in above equation. So delta t dash equal t2 minus t1 means delta t by root over 1 minus v square by c square. So this is the equation of time dilation. So important points case 1 if velocity v is small, that means v square by c square value equal to 0. Then from equation 1, this is the equation number 1. From 1, delta t dash equal delta t by v square by c square equal to 0. That means 1 minus 0 means 1. Root 1 means 1. Delta t dash equal to delta t. Second case, if root over 1 minus v square by c square value less than 1, then from 1, that means root over 1 minus v square by c square means negative values. So for suppose minus 1. So 1 is the increase. So decrease of these values. So for example, root over 1 minus v square by c square means minus 1. So from 1 substituted means minus 1. Delta t by minus 1 means minus delta t. So that means delta t dash greater than delta t. So this value is negative values. So this values is positive values. So delta t by minus 1. So that means minus delta t. So this is also negative values. So that means decreasing. So delta t dash means positive values. That means increasingly. Last one, case 3, if v equal to c, then from 1 v equal to c, that means v equal to c square by c square, that means 1 minus 1 equal 0. Root over 0 means 0. So delta t by 0 means infinity. Delta t dash equal to infinity. So this is the important points of time dilation. Okay, thank you friends.